Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by creating the project folder and two files: index, HTML and styles, CSS. This gives you a clear separation of structure and style. Once done, scaffold semantic HTML 5 sections, header, nav, main with article entries, and footer, so content is accessible and SEO friendly. Make sure to link your CSS in the head, that way styles load before paint and avoid flicker. You should save often and open index. HTML in the browser, to confirm the baseline layout, appears as expected. You next focus on layout. Choose CSS Grid for two-column layouts or Flexbox for flowing content. Grid excels at aligning posts and sidebars, while Flexbox handles linear components. Once you pick one, build reusable components, post cards, author blocks, and navigation, so changes propagate easily. Make sure to use descriptive classes rather than inline styles to maintain consistency and enable theme tweaks. Also add responsive media queries, so your blog adapts from mobile to desktop without breaking the reading flow. You finish by polishing typography, spacing, color palette, and interactive states like hover and focus, because readable text and clear affordances keep readers engaged. Once styled, optimize images and add meta tags for social previews and mobile viewport rules so performance and sharing work well. Make sure to test in multiple browsers and devices and validate HTML/CSS to catch errors. If layout breaks, use the inspector to find cascade issues. Often a misplaced closing tag or specificity problem causes the majority of layout shifts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.